Hello everyone, welcome to the homework table with Emy Girl. Hi Emy Girl.
Hi.
Today we're going to learn reading comprehension. It's going to be super easy and fun.
And it's going to be like 6-7 minutes.
It's like 6-7 minutes? Silly girl. Come join us guys. Alright guys, let's get started with this reading comprehension. Where's my pencil? This one? Let's use the pink one today. Alright, let's start our reading comprehension story called A Bug in the Mug. Let's start with our name at the top. Emy Girl got her honor roll pencil. She's been using all school year. And we've done many of these passages, guys. If you guys look at our previous videos, we do these every week, these reading comprehension videos, and they're so cool. They're so fun. Emy Girl learns how to read, and then she can comprehend what she's reading. And as I said in the last reading comprehension video, Emy Girl has gotten so much better writing her name. Your handwriting is so good. Okay, let's start at the first sentence. Where's the first sentence?
Right here.
Right there. Okay, let's try to sound that out.
Sam.
Yup.
Sam sat
Okay.
on a rug.
Okay, so Sam is the little bug right there. He's a little bee. So Sam is in a, what's this called right here?
A mug.
This is a mug on, what's this?
Rug.
A rug. Okay, so Sam sat on a rug. Let's go answer our questions over here. What does number one say? Let's start reading at number one.
It says Sam is on a.
What is he on?
He is on a rug.
On a rug. R-U-G. Rug.
R. What's the R?
R with a little hook. Yup. And then a U.
U.
Good job. Your handwriting's getting so good.
E.
Look it out. You write better than Daddy. Alright, so does this say rug?
No.
What does that say?
It says bus.
Wow, that's what happens when you sound it out.
Not
Good job.
Bus. It's not a bus.
Alright, what does this one say? So the CH is going to make a ch. So you had the first part, right? Ch. Bench.
Bench.
Yeah, I don't think he's sitting on a bench. So is it C?
Yes, it's
Alright,
C.
circle C. Good job. Alright, let's move on to the second sentence. Okay, let's start here at Sam.
Sam
Yup.
has
Good job. Sam has
a mug
Good job.
on the rug.
Good job. So these are our sight words right now. All the words that rhyme. R-U-G, rug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. Okay?
Yeah.
And Sam's a what? What is Sam?
Sam is a ant.
He's a what? Read that.
Bug.
Bug. So Sam's a bug. Okay, so Sam has a mug on the rug. Let's go read our sentences over here. Let's go to number 2. It says, start reading. Here.
What?
Yup.
At.
What?
What?
You struggle with this word because it doesn't sound out how you read it. So instead of, I know you're breaking it down, at AT is at, but it's silent in this word. So hut, okay? What? Read this one.
Oh.
You remember this word?
Wait.
Sound it out?
Oh.
Does. This is does.
Oh.
You have to practice these words.
I know what it is because like sometimes it only has an S, but sometimes it's ES.
Yeah. So D-O-E-S is does. So what does? What does that word say?
He.
Okay, he, and then what's that? That's a sight word. Sound it out. Have. Good job. What does he have?
He has a mug.
He has a mug. That's right. M-U-G. Awesome. Okay, sentence 3. Right here. Sam
Can see a
That's a B.
bug.
Okay.
See, because he's a bug.
Yep. So Sam
bug.
can see a bug.
But his name is Sam, and he can. And
Oh, so
he's
maybe
a bug.
Sam isn't the bug. Maybe Sam is the guy, and the guy that's telling the story, and he's just a bug. Okay, so Sam can see a bug. Finish this last part.
The mug.
So Sam can't see a bug. What's this word right here?
On
You always get that one confused.
In
Good job. In
the mug.
Good job. Sit up a little bit. All right, awesome. So it says, what's this word? Do we remember it?
Was.
What?
What
Good job.
can
Good job.
Sam see
In
the
the mug.
ant?
What does he see in the mug?
He sees an ant.
No, he sees a what?
Oh, bug.
He sees a bug. That's
Wait,
right.
where? Oh,
Yep, right under the sentence
Bug.
down here. So Sam sees what in the mug?
b.
Uh-huh.
G.
Yep. All right, this pencil today is a little bit light, so I'm going to go over your words to make them a little bit darker real quick, okay?
Okay.
Your handwriting is very good. Just so when her teacher sees this, she can grade it, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, next sentence. Start right here with that sight word. Yep.
The bug is
Sound it out.
bug.
No, there's no G here. Uh-huh. R. This says eh, and that's a D.
The
Good job.
red.
The bug is red. Good job.
And
Good job.
pig. Oh, no.
It's okay, that's a B.
Big.
Good job. So the bug is red and
It's big.
good job. All right, so down here at number 4, we only have 3 more left. So down here at number 4 it says, read the sentence.
The
Uh-huh.
big.
Slow down. It's okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
the dog.
That's a B.
Oh, bug
Okay, the bug.
is
What is it?
an ant.
The bug is what? We just read the sentence. The
Oh.
bug is
Red
and.
and big.
All right, so let's circle the correct ones. Where do we see that?
Right here.
That says what? Let's sound that out. Good job. That's a hard word. You said
Black.
it. Was he black?
No.
No. Cancel that one out. What about this one?
Big.
Good job. He is big, so let's circle that one. And then what's the last one?
Red.
Yes. Is he red?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, only 2 more. So there's some things that you're struggling with that we have to work on is the word what, the word does, and then you're still struggling with your B's and your D's. Can I show them the paper real quick? Can you back up your hand?
Yeah.
So this is a B. This is a B. A B faces this way. A B faces to the right. And this right here is a D. And a D faces to the left. So you're still confusing these, and we have to work on these, okay?
Okay.
But that's okay. You're doing a great job. Okay, let's read the last couple sentences, okay? We're right here. Yep, what's his name?
Sam.
Good job. You did it again.
Sam.
That's a D.
Bug. Oh,
Uh-huh.
Sam dog.
Uh-huh.
R.
Good job.
4.
Yep. 4. Good job.
4.
Sam dug 4.
The bug.
Good job. So all of our words that we're practicing in this passage right here, let me underline them for you. Bug, mug, bug, dug. You see the difference? The B's facing this way and the D's facing this way. For the bug. So this one says Sam dug for the bug.
Because the bug is in the dirt and he can't find it.
That's right. All right, let's read the last 2 sentences, okay? Start here.
The bug.
The bug.
The bug.
Sound that out.
Rug.
Nope, there's no U there.
Oh, ran.
Okay, so this is gonna make an.
Ran.
The bug ran. Sound that word out. Good job.
Fast.
Good job. All right, so back up your hand so we can show them. The bug ran fast.
The bug ran fast.
Awesome. Let's read number 5. You did a good job reading the word fast. That's a 4-letter word. That's pretty difficult. Okay, do you remember this word? You're thinking. I know. Go ahead, think. Take your time. We're not in a rush. These words, what were these words?
Oh wait, let me just wait. What
That word again too.
does
Good job.
the
Good job.
bug
Good job.
do?
What does the bug do? What's this word right here? You remember that word? He did what so fast?
Wait.
Ran. So the bug ran fast. So it says here, what does the bug do?
He ran fast.
He ran fast. Good job. You can get it right. Ran fast on these lines right here. And make sure when we're writing multiple words that we leave a space, right? In between each word.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Which words?
Right here. We're down here at this sentence, sweetie. That's okay. The bug ran fast. Sam is just telling us that the bug is very fast.
So we have to do
The bug ran. Yep. What's the next?
R.
What is that?
A.
That's an A. Okay, I didn't know. All right. And what's the next one? Is that an H? Oh, no, that's an N. Okay, I didn't know. Silly me. You know, I don't know. Good job. All right, so he ran, and what's the last word? Leave a space. That's a good space. F.
F.
What's the next one?
A.
Okay. And the last two, guys. Can anyone name the last two letters?
S-T.
S-T. The bug ran fast. All right, we're on the last one. This is it. We're almost done with our worksheet. We read and we comprehended what we read, right? So what's the last sentence?
Sam is glad.
Glad. Sam is glad. What does glad mean? I don't know what that means.
Glad means that, like, he's proud of himself.
He's like happy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So let's read the last sentence and let's answer the question, okay? What question is this? What letter? What number is this?
6.
All right, this is number 6. 6, 7. You silly girl. All right, come on. Let's read it. Nope, we already read that. So let's read the question.
Oh.
That's gonna make an ow sound. So, ow. How?
How
Right.
does
Right. Good job.
Sam macaron?
That's right. What is that? Explain to me what that is.
A macaron.
A macaron? And what's a macaron?
A macaron is like tells you like there's 2 E's.
There's 2 E's. So that makes a E sound, right?
Yes.
F.
Eel. Feel.
Good job, Emy Girl. How does Sam feel? And then what's the last 3 words?
The.
Good job.
And
How does Sam feel at the end?
glad.
Good job. He feels glad. That was so good. So Emy Girl taught us something new today. I didn't know what that was.
L.
Yup.
G-L. A. D.
Yep.
And then put
Do you know what this is right here? What is this thing right here? What is this?
the little thing.
It's called an exclamation point.
Oh.
Yes. So he's glad. Emy Girl, you taught us so many new things today. Thank you so much. I hope they learned and they had fun working at the homework table with you. Thank you. We learned, we read a bug in the mug. We learned about the bug. We answered our questions all correct on the side. We're learning and we're getting better every day at reading. You're recognizing words. You're learning how to sound out words. You taught me something today. What does this mean again? What is that? Double E's.
Double E's make E.
And then what's the word for it? You said it's a what?
It is.
It's a macro what?
It's a macaron.
It's a macaron. Good job, Emy Girl. High five. Thank you guys for watching. What should they do if they like the video?
They should like and subscribe.
That's right. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.